What's up, guys? And today we're going to be playing Sail. If you watch the other one, it was with my other friend Austin, but today it's with my friend. Do I want me to tell them your name? Like, real name? I can't hear him. That's bad. You go to call since I can't hear you. Okay, so we're playing. We just destroyed a kid's boat and killed him. But yeah, you might be able to hear him in call.
If we both stay alive, we'll just camp the portal.
I hear kids. I hear kids. I hear kids. By the way, this is Sail on VR. People might say it's Sail VR, but it's just Sail. Okay? This is, I swear, if he hops on here. Okay, because I'm about to absolutely defeat a boss. If the jewel is here and if it isn't. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to see if the jewel is here. If the jewel is here, you want to grab it. It should be purple and it is not. Okay, that's a dookie booty.
I must destroy everybody in my path.
What in the world?
Him from killing him. Hello?
It's not here. Can you hear me?
No? Hello?
Let's hope you guys can hear us and call.
Hello?
They can hear me and call. Yes,
Can
I
you hear me?
Okay. Don't need to go. Can you hear me?
You still making a video?
Yeah, I just started.
Oh.
Anchor down.
Okay.
It's pretty glitchy when I make a video.
Okay.
Hey, but anything to try and make the viewers happy.
Tell me when to anchor up.
Is the anchor still down? Oh wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, get rid of
now it is.
the harpoon. Slash it with your sword.
Where is... Which one is it? That one?
Wait, did I say harpoon or anchor? Okay.
Harpoon. Okay, you want me to reel the anchor up?
Yeah.
Onward! I'll be right... I'm gonna climb up here.
You kind of can't, but you have to embrace your gorilla tag and act like you're climbing it really fast, like you're getting chased by a lava monkey in canyons, but you have to climb up a rope. We're gonna go to the edge, and it's a really good looting spot since no one likes to go there except me, since no one likes to go there, and I like to go there since it's peaceful. Barely any people go.
Okay. I loot at the edge too. That's where I got almost all my loot.
We're going straight towards it.
I let you... Okay. Just in case somebody's there, I got my gun ready. Wait, there's a compass on
Yeah,
it?
you never knew that there was a compass?
Yeah, we're going north. It actually works.
No, it doesn't. The red line has to be on north.
So it
Yeah.
doesn't even work.
Okay, there's nothing special, and we just loot.
Okay, I guess I'm reeling down the anchor.
But here, there is tons of skeletons that like to spawn in chests.
Got it.
That's That's why I also like it, since it's a broken skull island. No, but only in chests. Those are crates.
I know, but still. Don't pick those up. They'll fall in my chest. Oh, I got a treasure map.
Please
I'll
tell
probably
your friends
sell
and
that.
family to subscribe to me. I made a short explaining why I really want to be a streamer. Well, I didn't explain. I was just making a video about me trying to get cats, but like seeing what cat I am. Like that, right? But yeah. No, don't.
Oh, you should
don't.
say how many.
It's gonna fly to my chest.
Yeah.
See?
Oh.
It flies to my chest. Like whoever opens it, it flies into their chest.
I'll get that chest. I'll get. I want that chest that's
you
over
have that.
there.
You have that. I'm sorry. If it flies to my chest, I'll bring it out. It's about to fly into my chest. Where is it?
Oh, come on! You wanna go? No. This zombie. What? It has a sword?
Yeah,
It has a gun?
There's your little prize.
Ha! I just got. I have over $200 worth of
I
stuff.
hope the galleon is not coming for us. I hope it's going to go see the fishies.
Please. I'll go. Ooh, great. What is it?
What's what happened? I called dibs on the chest in 2 crates.
Okay. Okay. I don't really. I already have $200 worth of
And I have
stuff.
900, and I have 902 and multiplying it right now. But right as we're speaking, it's 2,000. Oh, are you just gonna go back to shit?
No, I'm gonna loot this
Okay.
chest that's over here. Please don't be another skeleton.
That's
of course
good.
it's a skeleton.
It's easy to defeat, and you're able to get like 50 or 100, I think, dollars from that skull.
Bro, there's 2 skulls.
You're a lucky man.
2! No, I have over $300 worth of stuff. I'm so lucky.
Guys, if you want this skin, it's free. All you have to
Jeez.
do is just join the Discord. When you log into sale, it should say join Discord. It will show, if you did read under, it should say, whatever, I don't know. I'm done looting, by the way.
Okay, let me just. I just got a blue gem. I'm keeping it.
Nice.
I'm keeping more. I have so much stuff worth. I cannot die. I can literally not die.
How much do you have?
If I die,
Over 1,000?
I have $300 worth.
I've gotten almost 3,000, but that's fine. You're kind of new. Jeez, my game is glitching. Jeez, my game is also tripping. Because when I record,
Okay.
mountains and mountains of glitches.
Okay. Tell me when to.
I'm
Release the anchor?
Yeah, hoist it.
Where's the egg?
I just don't know where we should go.
Should we go back to port to sell our stuff?
Sure, since I have literally no clue what we could do.
Wait. Silver Open, nope, it's still getting taken by the galleon.
We cannot take over that galleon. They will destroy us with the cannons. I know they're kind of bad, but their galleons are bad, just their cannons are really strong.
Yeah, and they probably have like 10 people. Yeah, you have one person on this big
I
ship.
have 2.
I'm gonna start to 2. Well, 1 crewmate to help you. I don't know how you run this ship.
And plus, people with a galleon, they can be really bots or people that love to PvP. And let's go and see if that ship likes to PvP.
Why?
Because
Just why?
I don't know.
Nope, wrong way. Just why? I'm over here doing my best trying to get this place.
Yeah,
this
never
thing
mind.
enough
They're
speed,
trying to
boy.
kill us now. They're trying to kill us now. They're trying to kill us now.
Ah! No! I just fell.
Grab the
fell.
bottle.
Don't worry,
Yeah.
I gotta grab the bottle. Grab the bottle. Grab the bottle. Grab the bottle. Come on, bottle, spawn. I'm on back on the
Good,
boat.
because you almost got left behind us going into port. Holy, there's a galleon.
I need my.
Wait a minute.
Holy! I see.
I'm gonna turn.
Yeah,
No.
it's chasing us.
I'm gonna see if they just if they're gonna go into port. Yeah, they're just gonna go into port. We got this whole entire
So how
island by
about-
ourselves, I think. Yeah. Except for probably 2 or 3 rafts.
Yeah, but. Hey, let's go.
Wait, go.
I was gonna see
we're
if
able
you
to
wanted to go
a-
back
on
to
a
port.
Broken Skull Island. I don't know if it's a broken skull or a skull, but yeah. Look how
Yeah.
much that is. Look.
I have so
I have
much.
1,000. I have 1,603 right now.
TBT. Two. Jeez, that was.
Let's go! I just got a red ruby. Don't grab it.
Nice. I'm
Stay
not.
back.
I don't
Stay
even.
back.
There's a skull. There's just a dead person right here. There's a dead person. You dead? Okay, you're dead.
Nah, bro, he's not dead.
Can I? He isn't?
He's just napping. He's taking a he
Yeah.
needs to go to work tomorrow. So he's taking a taking
Yeah,
a nice long nap.
Ooh, I'm gonna sell this key too. Oh. Ship. Ship just went into port.
Okay.
Like it was not a galleon. It was one boat. It was like it
So
was.
it
a
was
sloop.
really small.
Yeah. We could have taken it, but it had 5 players.
Oh yeah,
on
there
it.
was no way we were able to take it without heals.
Yeah.
Another strat.
Oh,
Another
nope.
strat?
Get 'em.
To give you advice, when you're low health, run into the ocean, but before you go into the ocean, open your chest and grab some heals. Because that's a good way to,
Are we leaving?
why do you say that? There's a sloop at
Cause this
Silver.
there's an island that we've basically taken all the loot
Yep.
here.
That's why we're gonna go and kill the sloop for their loot.
True.
Wait. So
And kill
there's
the
5
player if we
players?
can find it.
How do you know?
Yep. There was 5 players on, cause right before they went in, like they were like right next to our ship. Didn't even just said leave them. I saw them pass right into port. They saw
They
our
could
ship.
have easily killed us. Anchor down.
The anchor is. Oh, it is up. It was down. From my experience of driving a raft, I know how to.
Up.
Okay, I might
Up.
have enough to get
Up.
a sloop. Up. I might have
But
enough
what
to
did
get
I
a sloop.
say about getting sloops? Just wait until you're able to get this boat.
Yeah, but I want to have a. I look like a noob having
What is
this. I look like a noob having a raft. I look like a noob having a
And
raft.
just wait. You're able to get a sloop. Also
Wait.
makes you look like a noob.
What the heck?
You kind of just threw your.
So long, fellow.
That was kind of our second planned getaway, but that's fine.
Wait. We were going to use that.
Hey, anchor down.
How about we just go back to port before we
Anchor
die?
down. Please. Okay, wait. Anchor up. Okay, they like to fight, and I can tell. Because they're kind of coming straight towards us.
Up, yep. Get your gun ready.
Is that a... That's your raft. That's your...
Shoot
No,
it.
that's your raft.
Shoot it. Yeah, I'm saving my bullets. I feel kind of. I
Okay,
feel I'm
get
a raft person, so I feel kind of guilty killing my own kind.
Hey, I need you to put the sails up. Make the sails right. Yeah, make it go with the wind. Push it all the way over there as much as you can. Before we're going to go into battle. Okay, get on the anchor. Get next to the anchor. Get next to the anchor. Get next to the anchor. Anchor down, anchor down, anchor down, anchor down, anchor down, anchor down.
Hello, my fellow friend. Please don't shoot me. What did I do?
Shoot
I won't shoot you.
Shoot.
Go shoot!
Oh, well, thank you, my friends.
They're running.
Okay,
their ship.
anchor up. Anchor up. Don't you dare go into port.
No, they're going into port.
You can't stop me.
Don't you dare
I
go
know
into
how to
port,
stop
bro.
them.
We're free.
Unless, yeah, it's too late. You can't catch up to them.
Maybe I can hit one last shot.
You can't stop me.
They think that they're cool with their little sloop. They
No!
think that they're cool with their little sloop. 1v1 me.
Come on, let's go into port. That way we can sell our
Fine.
stuff.
Anchor down. Because you're just going to be circling it. Okay, anchor up. You happy now?
Cause you would have enough to buy a.
I already
Galleon.
have enough to buy a galleon.
Store your stuff. Wait, I can store
Yeah,
my
you
stuff? No. I'm not. I'm gonna sell my stuff.
But you can't, like, store your whatever. I don't know. That puts me at 20,550. Why am I using double pistol? I hate double pistol.
And I have 464. Oh, I got my ship, my
For
raft
free.
back.
Imagine if it was
For
negative
free.
like 30. So then you were able to just get rid of it and then just buy it back and then you're able to get 33 gold. People would do that all the time.
Yeah, I just scrapped my ship. That way I'm so close to buying. To buying.
Sloop with standard hulls, speedy sails,
I'm
and
so
side facing
close.
with the cannons on both sides, and then a harpoon on front. 800.
Nope.
Because you just want standard. You
I'm
want
gonna spawn
standard
my-
hull, not you want a standard hull.
Raft. What happened to my raft? I just had it
it's
and
fine.
now it's gone. I
It's fine,
swear,
just
it
go
just
on a
really.
raft and you're able to easily buy it back. Bro, side facing, speedy sails, and standard.
Oh yeah,
hull,
because I scrapped
and then
it.
a harpoon, 75 gold.
Wait, what is it?
Side
Side
facing.
facing.
Speedy sails,
Standard.
reinforced hull for 100, and then a harpoon on front.
But it'll make the ship. It'll make the base speed slower.
But the health,
it
it gets
reinforced
up by a
hull.
lot. And then lightweight hull gives you one shot.
Okay, now let's see my new improved boat. Well, raft. With a harpoon.
Little harpoon.
Woo-hoo!
Now look at my new and improved boat.
Bros, when I'm over here pieing about a raft, I'm like so jealous.
All you gotta do is just save up your money. Boys!
Yeah,
help
I'm
us
going into port.
beat them.
You wanna
But
go
we're
into
catching
port
up
with
to
me?
the Sea Dogs. And right when I said that, they just earned
We
like
are?
$3,000. Right when I said that. Crap.
Hey, wanna get on my boat and go to port on my raft?
Immediately go to port. What are you gonna do? Give it a test spin?
No, get out of port. I don't know. Maybe loot an island or two?
Without trying to be killed? That's pretty
Yeah.
hard. I don't know.
And then come. You would join? Yeah, no, I'll just drive my
Like,
ship
don't go
around.
into the port though.
I know.
You wanna
I
have
just
a
gotta
race?
turn it.
Wait.
A race?
Make
I'm
it
gonna
make
lose,
it face
but
that way. Make your
The
boat
other
face
way?
that way.
what
Let
way?
me drive.
This
Let me
way?
drive.
Okay. I'm gonna get. What?
No,
what are
trust
you
me.
doing?
Trust me. We're gonna get ready
Why
for
are
a
you
race,
driving?
okay? And I'm gonna give you a 5-second head start.
Should we? Since I have a.
Stop.
Can we stop the
wait.
boat now?
Okay. Okay, let me spawn in my boat.
I'm
No, just
dead.
the thing is, I'm gonna give you a head start. So wait.
Okay.
Go! You go! 5, 4, 3, 2.
Go!
One.
Oh, fuck. You're already going that fast. Faster! Faster! I'll slow you down like this!
I don't think it slowed me down.
What? It doesn't let me shoot! How dare you!
If it was a sloop, you probably could have beaten me.
How dare
If
you,
it was a
Ford?
sloop, you probably could have beaten me.
Yeah, I'm
Pokemon,
selling
catch 'em all, and then you only get like 25 gold. Because it's a rip-off. Just to... I could go underground.
How?
Because it's Pokemon.
Oh no, 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 you're gonna run him into me.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck are you going underground? I want to join you. Yay!
Catch 'em
I get to
all,
join you.
it's true. But I can only
No!
fight them two. If I fight them and you fight 3.
Did you? Are you underground? You're literally. You're sailing. You're literally sailing through everything.
I have to go and stop it. I have to stop it. You can see my boat through the ground.
Ha! You just
can
lost
see
your-
my boat through the ground just moving.
I know. And guess what? Ha! Guess who's about to win the race? I got a big head start.
I don't care right now.
Yeah,
I'm stuck underground.
I'm gonna win.
You're able to
Ha!
watch the video and see that I'm just stuck underground. I'm gonna start fishing.
Wait, are you still recording? Oh.
Where did it go? Let me see if I can get anything from under the boat. The boat. The boat. I hate you. No, not you.
Me?
The fish. I love you. I just got... What's happening to the fish? What's happening to the fish? What's happening to the fish? Okay. If this is not something really good, I will smack myself. Let's see. It's taking a while. This is a good sign. Oh. Ah! That's the first time I hit my Oculus. Hello? Hello?
Yeah? I'm gonna rebattle my ship.
Everyone, please subscribe to me. And then, also subscribe to, wait. Oh no, I forgot his name, but I'll give him a shout out in the short that I'm gonna make, I think. If I remember. And yes, the shout out is going to you, Austin. To your channel. If you're watching, Austin. I bet you're probably not. Okay, after this fish, I am gonna go back. I'm coming back from under the underground.
Where the heck are you?
You're able to see the top.
Underground.
You're able to see
Where
the
are
top
you?
of the shop.
What? Where are you?
Don't you see the top of the ship? Turn around.
No! Ow!
Look, I'm gonna put my sails down to prove that I am here.
Hey, guess what? I'm destroying
Don't
your
you
ship.
dare do that.
I'm I'm destroying your ship.
No, grab this and just start moving down.
Yeah.
Grab this and start just moving down.
I'm literally
Now
under...
let go. Now let go.
What the heck? What the heck? Is there a way to get up?
Yeah.
Out of
We're gonna
here?
do it the cool way though. Okay? We're gonna
What, are we
we're
gonna
going
come
to
back
go
from
as
one?
fast as we can. So I'm gonna get the sails ready.
Yeah, I would rather not stick for that, so see you later. Yeah, I'm going back up to where the ground. Wait. I'm on! I'm literally... Holy! Can you go back in there with me on it? I don't really... Where the heck did you go? Because I'm on your ship. I'm sitting down and I'm...
It's glitched now.
Why?
I have to rebottle my ship.
Don't! Actually, yeah, I don't really care at this point.
And I think the viewers that are watching are starting to get tired. We're tired of me just underground.
True. Well, you were underground for like 10 minutes. Where the heck are you?
Secret.
Hello? Are you
No.
under the ground again?
Bro, we have to catch up. We're catching up, just not by a lot.
To what? Oh, I know where you are. I'm totally not gonna come up with you with a sword and start killing you. No way.
Don't you dare try to kill me!
What? Where did he?
I'm a sword master for a reason, bro.
Yeah, come on. Where the heck did you? Run! Ship! I need my ship!
Kill Joe. Oh man, I wish I could go.
Why did you go underground?
Cool.
And now I just found a glitch. Haha. You can't see me. You can't find me. How did you get down here? Wait. Wait.
You don't launch me, I'm going to launch myself.
Don't you? If you don't launch me, I'm going to launch myself. Why?
No, if you don't launch me, okay? Bro, stop moving it. Stop moving it.
I can move it that time.
Don't pull the lever. There's a fire button that I'm going to press in there.
Okay.
Because I'm going to try and go all the way up to the broken galley. Wait.
Tell me
Turn
when.
the ship a little bit to the right. And it's the big one that turns it. No, that's up. Okay. Wait. Let me do it.
Okay. You're gonna launch yourself up to the galleon. You know you can just walk up there.
Okay, I think this is good.
Hey, before you launch,
Yeah, that's good. Go in there and then try and go in there, and then you want to press the fire button.
Launch. Wherever you call
No,
it
it
fire.
literally says fire.
Whoa! Whoa, no! I'm spawning my ship. And I spawned my ship. So, guess what? Little me has to walk all the way back over there.
Okay, that's honestly funny.
Treasure school? Sell your... Wait. I just found
What does that mean?
an infinite glitch. An infinite money glitch. That right there. So. Sell your cursed treasure. School shop.
How much you want to bet that I will make a strike right here, right now? It's a strike!
Pistol.
It's a strike!
I'm gonna buy some pistol
Okay, I'm
ammo.
gonna see if I could do it in a row. 2 in a row? Yeah, it's not 2 in a row. Strike. No strike. Strike. It's a strike. Okay, let's see if I can get 2 in a row. Stop. Move out the way.
I just sliced you.
Ah, so scary. You slice and diced me. Okay. Let's see. I'll say that's a strike. There's no limit to be where you have to be. Bro. There's no limit. Okay. I'm gonna put lots of these bottles in the ocean. I'm drinking. Go, 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 go. I love my whiskey. Go, 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 go.
What the heck are you doing? Are you drinking
Nah, I'm
water or
drinking
something?
whiskey, bro. Here's some more.
What
Here's
the
some
heck?
more. Go, 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 go.
What the?
This is my
What
run.
the heck?
Go, 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 go. Bang, bang,
Smack that out of your hand.
bang, bang.
Smack the, ow!
Bang.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You brought a sword to a
Ow!
gunfight, bro.
Don't shoot me! Ha! I brought a gunfight to a sword fight. I come back as a ghost.
Hi, William Afton.
Wait.
360 no scope. No. Wait. Stand still. Stand still. 360 no scope. Oh.
Reload.
Okay, don't move. Don't move. 360 no scope. Bro, you're not. 360 no scope.
Oh! Headshot! You're dead.
360 no scope. 360 no scope. 360 no scope.
I'm gonna choose a rifle.
360 no scope. Oh! I just did a 360 no scope. Oh my.
Hey, can I? Oh! Hey, guess what? You brought a pistol to a rifle
That's
fight,
actually a
bud.
sniper. Dead.
Sniper fight. You wanna go? You wanna go? Cause we can go and die. can store your
Yeah,
stuff? Ooh, I'll
Never
store
knew
my
that.
map. I'm gonna store my map. I'm gonna store my treasure chest. I'll store my sword. Where are you? Oh. Wait. What the heck did you just buy? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna spend. Small health potion.
I can buy bigs later, but now I'm gonna buy some skulls. Me personally, I like to do silver and bronze more, mostly bronze, so it's easy and easier to get gold since you're able to just buy tons, then do it tons of times with a couple of fuels. I'm only buy like 5 of these since they're pretty expensive. Yeah, and that puts me down a lot of money.
Same, because I just bought a bunch of heals for us. Hey. Da, 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 da. Hey, look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
Which mirror?
The mirror that's right
Dude,
next to you.
oh, okay.
And look what's about to happen to you.
You're not actually shooting. You want to see shooting?
Ah!
Killed. Look at that! Look at that sword master, bro! Look at that sword master, guys! Look at that sword master right there! Look at that sword master! Look at that sword master, bro! I'm a sword master. Let's go! Look at that sword master!
Swords?
Look at that sword master! Okay, I have no clue what to do since we've just been in here talking and messing around in port most of the time. So yeah, wait, 530. I'ma see what's new in shop. Nothing's new in shop today. Absolutely nothing.
Where's shop?
I'm
Where's
in the
shop? Where's the Where?
Bro, never mind. We're able to, bro. This is the most easiest
Where are you?
daily challenge of all time. 1 bluefish, 1 goldfish, and 1 grayfish. They are so easy.
How do you equip the eye patches?
Eye patches. I don't think you have an eye patch.
I do.
Oh, you bought an eye patch? Alright, 1 sec.
Yeah.
I'll show you in a second after I get a fish. Okay, I'm gonna just come over there. Wait. What did I get? Let's go, I go to bluefish. Where are you?
I'm over by the window. You should see my eye patch.
Which one? Oh, I see. Hey, you got your eye patch on. That looks sick.
No, you can't do it. I'm an actual pirate now. Do you have...
Yeah, I know.
Nice.
I have my little bushy beard.
I don't even know how you get a beard in this game.
Beards. Oh, no. Beards. No beard. Coats. Pirate coat. Most trashiest coat, in my opinion. I hate it. It looks disgusting. It's the most disgusting thing in the whole entire world. I absolutely hate it. Discord
Where's the coats?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the pirate coats? There.
Take it off.
Pirate
Take it
coat.
off. Take it off. Take it off.
No coat, I
Yay.
guess.
Yay.
No coat. I said no coat. No coat.
I just got a pink fish, but it's kind of small.
No hat. Pirate banana hat.
I just got a pink fish, but it's pretty small.
No coat. Nice. Eye patch hat. How do you change the color of your beard?
You can't. I know, that's the sad thing. Oh, let's see what I get. Let's go! All I need is a goldfish. No! Sea of Thieves owner, please give me a goldfish. Please. I will literally smack myself if I don't get a goldfish. And that's not even in the water.
I bet the viewers were like, now it's time to sneak off. It's time to sneak off in my raft before he notices.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What you doing?
I'm just gonna go over here. Just going over here to get something.
That's suspicious. Cause I heard you. We're in call. I heard you saying that you were trying to sneak off into your raft.
No, I wasn't. Why would I do that? You know me.
But I know you. You like to sneak off and wander.
I wouldn't. You know me. I wouldn't sneak off
like how you always do. Why do you have your boat out?
Run! 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 Sails up! Anchor down!
Anchor up!
Wait! No! Not this way! What are you doing?
We're going
Great.
like you wanted to.
Stop controlling my ship, or else I'm gonna have to do something that nobody wants
I know you
anybody
won't.
to do. Let me control the ship, and you won't die.
Yeah, nah. I'll pass.
Now we turn the ship.
Now we turn the ship. Like you said, we turn the ship.
Stop turning it the wrong way! We're gonna get lost at sea.
Don't leave me here. Wait, never mind. I can just be with the viewers.
Chill.
Drive me back.
Push off.
Let's go. I got a crab.
Push off.
Can I please?
Oh, drive you back?
Please
Okay.
Get a golden.
Okay, we can go home right after we take this detour into the dips. Abyss. Turn. We're still turning.
Bro, I'm actually about to freak out. Give me.
Turning left.
Bro, my headset's about to die.
Still turning. Oh. We can get off,
This is the
man.
end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry that we were just talking and being in port for half of the time. But yeah, I hope this video is able to upload since it was a long one. Peace! Subscribe to me.